Hello friends, welcome to our course. In this course we are going to talk about affiliate marketing business, how to set up your own affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing, as you all know, is where you get paid commissions for promoting other products. You can join different affiliate networks from Amazon affiliate to various other affiliate networks, and if you promote any product that is listed on their platform, and if they make a sale, you receive commission from them. We are going to see how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, from niche selection to keyword research to how to set up your own affiliate marketing website, how to rank different keywords, how to promote different products, how to join different affiliate networks, and how to succeed in this business. We have also included a blueprint on how to succeed in this business from going from $0 to $1,000 within 3 months, and from $1,000 to $10,000 within 1 year to 2 years. How to succeed passively in this business. Also, for you to succeed in this business, if you start your affiliate marketing website and your business after this course or within this course, we will provide you with $200 worth of premium resources that will help you succeed in this business. We will show you what are the premium resources inside the course, and these resources will help you generate results very fast. When you will see in the course what are these premium resources, and these will help you boost your affiliate marketing business at a good level. So let's go inside the course and let's start our affiliate marketing journey.